In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Firebase App Check. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find App Check in the Firebase console, how to review your apps and their protection status, and how to understand the API categories you can secure with App Check. Let's start in the Firebase console. Open your project and give yourself a moment to get oriented. The left-hand navigation is organized by workflows, and the section we want lives under Build. Click Build on the left sidebar to expand the developer-focused tools for your project. This is where you manage things like authentication, Firestore, and the feature we're focusing on today, App Check. Go ahead and select App Check. App Check helps protect your backend resources from abuse by verifying that incoming requests come from your genuine app and from a valid, unmodified environment. Think of it as a layer that filters out traffic that didn't originate from your real clients. The App Check page has two primary areas you'll use, apps and APIs. We'll walk through both so you know what to look for and what each section tells you. Start with the apps area. Click apps at the top of the App Check page. Here you'll see your apps, a list of the Firebase apps you've added to the project across platforms like iOS, Android, web, and more. If you're managing multiple environments like development and production, each one will typically appear here as its own app entry. This list is a quick at-a-glance view of where App Check can be enabled and monitored. Next, pay attention to attestation providers within this view. An attestation provider is the mechanism AppCheck uses to verify that your app is running in a legitimate context. The provider you choose usually depends on your platform. While the specific setup happens outside of this walkthrough, it's helpful to know that this is where you'll confirm which provider your app uses so AppCheck can generate and validate tokens for trusted requests. Right alongside that, you'll see a status indicator for each app. This tells you where each app stands with AppCheck. You might see that protection is configured, not yet set up, or being enforced, depending on your project's current state. Use this column to spot any apps that still need attention. If something looks off, this status makes it easy to figure out which app to revisit. Now switch over to the APIs area by clicking APIs at the top. This page shows the products and services you can protect using AppCheck tokens, and it's grouped into clear categories so you can find what you need. First, you'll see a list of Firebase APIs. These are the Firebase products like your databases, storage, and other Firebase managed endpoints that commonly receive traffic from your apps. AppCheck can require a valid token for these APIs, which helps ensure only your genuine app can access them. When reviewing this section, consider which Firebase services are most exposed to public access and confirm their protection aligns with your needs. You'll also find Google Maps platform APIs here. If your app uses maps, places, or related services, this is where you review how AppCheck interacts with those calls. Because maps-related traffic can be a target for misuse, it's good practice to confirm how requests are validated for the APIs you rely on. The other Google APIs section includes additional Google services your app might call. The idea is the same. Understand which APIs are in play for your project and how AppCheck fits into their protection story. If you see services listed that your app no longer uses, this view can also help you clean up or reevaluate access patterns. Finally, there's a custom section. This is intended for scenarios where you have your own backend endpoints or non-listed services and want to apply the same verification principles. While setup happens outside this tour, keep this section in mind if you're extending protection beyond standard products. Throughout the APIs page, you'll notice a status column again. Just like on the apps view, it summarizes whether AppCheck requirements are applied for each product area. Use it to spot gaps and to confirm your intended protection is in place. That's the tour. You entered the Firebase console, opened Build, navigated to AppCheck, reviewed your apps with their providers and status, and explored the APIs page with its categories and statuses. With this foundation, you can confidently monitor where AppCheck is active and make informed decisions about how your apps and APIs are protected.